I'm Whitney, I'm a registered dietitian, and today I'll be going over your vitamins, which are going to be necessary after your procedure. Just to make sure that we cover our bases here, bariatric vitamins are going to be extremely important after the surgery. Over-the-counter vitamins will not offer you what you're going to need long-term after surgery. The risk of deficiencies is common if you're not supplementing adequately. So just for an example, if you get low in vitamin A, let's say, you may start noticing a change in your vision, specifically at night. It's oftentimes not permanent, just a quick fix of getting that vitamin A back up. But if going undetected and not getting fixed, it can permanently affect your eyesight long term. So today I'm going to be going over your vitamin needs after your switch procedure. Vitamins are going to be extremely important after this surgery, and it's going to be something you'll need to do lifelong after surgery, just because there's no way for you to get the amount of vitamins and minerals from your food alone after this surgery. One portion of this procedure is going to be removing a large part of your stomach, which is going to require you to consume less food. And that alone makes it hard to get enough vitamins and minerals. But not only that, there's a second part of this surgery that interferes with the absorption of your nutrients. So when you are rerouting the intestines, which is what's happening in your surgery, you're affecting the absorption of your vitamins and minerals and calories as well. So it's great for weight loss, just not so great for your vitamins and minerals after the surgery. Now I'm going to walk you through the options that we have for our switch vitamins. These options are going to be a little bit different from the sleeve. So the options that we carry here in the clinic will be a chewable and a capsule form. The chewable option only comes in the mixed berry if you go with that one for the switch. The same thing with the chewable option as the sleeve. It's going to be 2 twice a day. That is going to give you your multivitamin intake, but you will need additional supplements on top of that. So on top of your multivitamin intake, you will need additional calcium, additional B50 complex, and then also a probiotic. So kind of just to show you what that looks like is you'll take your multivitamin intake 2 times twice a day. If you do the chewables, you only need 500 additional milligrams of calcium, so you could do 1 soft chew a day, or you can do a tablet over the counter as long as it's at least 500 milligrams. You need a B50 complex. The reason that B50 complex is going to be so important is it does contain some essential B vitamins that are more commonly at risk for deficiencies after the switch. So that one is going to be an important one you are on as well. I would recommend you take that one in the morning, since those B vitamins can offer you some more energy and you don't want to be taking that one in the evenings. And then lastly, your probiotic. That one is just going to help establish some healthy gut bacteria back inside that gut, just to make sure that we're controlling or having more regular bowel movements, less gas, bloating, and things like that. So the probiotic is not necessarily required, but it is highly recommended after a surgery like this. We do offer bundle options. So if you decided to get all your supplements from our store, it will save you quite a bit of money and also offer you a longer supply, just in case you wanted to get all of those supplements from here versus buying everything separately. And then if you decide you don't want to do the chewables, we do have the capsule option as well. The capsules are a little bit different from the chewables as they don't have your calcium in them. So you will need more calcium if you decide to go with the capsule options. The capsules are going to be 3 multivitamin capsules a day. You can take them all at once, or you can separate them out however you choose to do that. Some people like to just take 2 in the morning, 1 in the evening. Some people like to just take them all at once. So whatever works best for you. The difference in calcium is instead of only needing 500 milligrams a day, you're going to need about 1,500 milligrams a day. So your 3 multivitamin capsules on top of the 3 500 milligram calcium chews or calcium tablets a day. And then also the B50 complex and the probiotic as well. Same thing as with the sleeve is your iron. If you're currently menstruating or if you are currently iron deficient, then you will need additional 45 milligrams of iron. And something that should be remembered with iron and calcium is they do interfere with or interact with each other and interfere with absorption. So you want to make sure you take those at least 2 hours apart. So I would recommend taking your iron with your capsules if you decide to do the capsule regimen away from your calcium.